So ACL reconstruction is the standard, the gold standard is what we talked about of treating ACL injury. And essentially what we do is try and trick your body into making a new ligament out of scar tissue. We take a piece from either the patella tendon, the quad tendon, the hamstring tendon, or sometimes allograft in slightly older folks. We drill holes in the knee where the old ligament used to start and finish, and then we put that graft up inside the knee and lock it into place with a variety of tools that we use, sometimes screws or buttons. The body really doesn't know what's going on, so it just kind of freaks out. And it attacks that tissue because it knows it's not supposed to be in there, and it turns it into scar tissue. It's almost like vines growing up a lattice, right? As the body tries to get rid of this graft, and it covers it with scar tissue, and eventually it can't get rid of it, and it just turns it into scar tissue. So essentially what the goal of modern day ACL reconstruction is to trick your body into making a new ligament out of scar tissue that uses the graft as scaffolding for the scar tissue to form upon. The trouble with that is, number one, it hurts. You become weak because we take that graft out of your muscle and your tendon and your bone, and that takes a long time to recover from. Number two, we have to drill holes in your bones, and that's not easy to recover from either. So the word we use in medicine is morbid. The surgery is rather morbid. And so in a nutshell, ACL repair is a low morbidity surgery that can allow us to create stability in your knee by saving your old ligament and giving you stability by getting it to heal rather than replacing it.